alun je January tha nikul American ram lai in khotun Europe lai in than kul ni khat liawa khan USA president Pudan Trump cho Greenland kong kawa Europe lai le ram ngai tu na Denmark lai ton biro dinga rakatho chu a tho liawa tan zai ben tu pietana da lampi aton timika tôi tìm chim cái đủ mi se me he media tam to lut de mi sri lao alun je sa kau chang na ten thai jong khan adu ngai ko ro te kro e Trump kha Avanlawng na tum ding ase chu arat leo Avanlawng pietana atong le emergency ni zone no ase nazi tem ni ton bro nak chan khia mi nazi tem ni ana uchia chu Avanlawng to set na an to ti si chun he video
When President Donald Trump was traveling to Switzerland aboard Air Force One, an unusual incident occurred with his aircraft. On January 20th, 2026, the U.S. president and his aircraft were flying towards Switzerland. President Trump was scheduled to address the World Economic Forum there and was also expected to meet the world leaders. However, during the flight, the aircraft's internal lights suddenly went off. Senior U.S. government and military officials on board, along with President Trump and the journalists traveling with him, all noticed the sudden darkness inside the plane. After a short while, the lights came back on. Importantly, this issue did not affect the aircraft's ability to fly, as it was related only to the cabin lighting system. Despite this being a minor electrical fault, the decision was made to turn the aircraft back. Air Force One was diverted and landed in the U.S. state of Maryland. President Trump then switched to another aircraft and resumed his journey to Switzerland. This incident highlights how sensitive the United States is when it comes to the safety of its president. The iconic white and blue Air Force One aircraft, which symbolizes American power, has been criticized by Trump for quite some time. In fact, Trump has openly stated that he does not like his own presidential aircraft. The Boeing 747 used as Air Force One has been in service with the United States since 1990.